In this video, I will guide you how you can turn off low power notification on iPhone. So as for now, there is no such an option. So what you will need to do is to create an automation. Now we're gonna create an automation that will automatically enable low power mode when we reach 20% of our battery. Now what it will gonna do is disable that notification automatically, because the notification always comes up so that we can turn on low power mode. So click on automation, click on plus icon on the top right, and then you're gonna need to scroll down until you see battery level. Then you're gonna need to simply go with 20% and make sure that it is selected equal 20%, and also make sure to go with run immediately. Then click on next on the top right, and then you're gonna need to click on new blank automation. Then you're gonna need to simply search for the action, which is going to be low power mode as I said. Then click on done on the top right corner and you are good to go. Now whenever your mobile device reaches 20%, you will not gonna get any kind of notification, and your mobile phone will automatically set to low power mode without disturbing you. So that's the way of how you can turn off low battery notification on iPhone.